Hey explorers, today we're going to learn about something super important for finding your way around the world. The four cardinal directions. The four cardinal directions are north, south, east, and west. These directions help us know where we are and where we're going, kind of like a built-in map in your brain. Let's start with an easy one. Every day the sun rises in the east. That means when you see the sunrise in the morning, you're looking east. And at the end of the day, the sun sets in the west. So if you watch the sunset, you're looking west. Now imagine you're standing outside in the morning facing the sunrise. That means east is in front of you, west is behind you. North is to your left, south is to your right. Pretty cool, right? We use these directions all the time. For example, your school might be north of your house. The park could be south of your street. Maybe your favorite store is west of where you live. Maps use these directions too. If you've ever seen a map with a little arrow or a compass, it usually points north. That helps you figure out all the other directions. So why are cardinal directions important? Because they help us explore and give directions. Whether you're walking to a friend's house or reading a map, these four directions are your guide. Now you're ready to be a direction expert. Next time you go outside, try to find east and west by looking at the sun and see if you can figure out north and south too.